Alright, this is the way to make a cheap flamethrower for yourself. There goes my stand. Alright, there goes, yeah. Okay, so this is a way to make a nice flamethrower for yourself. It is dangerous for some of you people who are fucking retarded. Anyway, all I need is some Zippo, duct tape, and an axe can. All you gotta do is find out where the nozzle is. On this one, it is right there. So open up your Zippo, make sure it works. This one's actually a fake Zippo, so it's cheap as well. Oh fuck. Alright. So simply put some duct tape onto your Zippo. Line up the Zippo onto the can. This is a lot harder than it looks, believe me. Oh my god, it isn't working out the way I thought it would. There you have it, 15 minutes later and fucking a little bit of hard work later too. Anyway, here it is, your homemade flamethrower. Let's take this out to the garage and see if it works. There you have it.